You may need legal help, but it seems out of reach, even with a lower rate. One Macon group sees that need and wants to help. Today, they provide, they provide free legal services for people across central Georgia, and they're getting a $250,000 grant from Macon-Bibb County. Anthony Montalto tells us more about the group and how the money will help.
That group is called Middle Georgia Justice. They're a completely nonprofit organization helping folks get legal help when the finances for a lawyer might not be there. And their president says the number of people who can't might surprise you.
We have substantial unmet legal needs in Bibb County and Middle Georgia, and I saw that as a judge.
That's where the story began for Middle Georgia Justice, just months after retired Judge Bill Adams stepped off the bench in 2017.
People coming to the courthouse without a lawyer and getting adverse outcomes because of it.
Adams estimates about 80% of central Georgia can't afford a lawyer, and he wants to help. Middle Georgia Justice started small, but it's expanded to serve 7 counties with 6 full-time employees. He says the $250,000 from Macon-Bibb County will help them hire more and expand their reach. There's a need, he says, especially in a few key areas.
People with family law issues, need a divorce or a legitimation, custody issues come to us all the time.
The group has a self-help center for people to sit with an attorney and get aid in filling out documents for those cases. In some cases, their 3 staff attorneys will represent people in court. In other cases, their work trickles down into the community and even helps the county fight blight.
Probably 70% plus of the blighted houses in town started with a problem with the title to the property. So we help folks clear up the title to the property so that they then become the title owner of their home.
Now, Adams says they're always looking for volunteers, and right now their main need is volunteer attorneys, but he says they have some positions that don't require legal experience at all. For more on that, you can head to their website, mgajustice.org, and click the volunteer tab. In Macon, Anthony Montalto, 13 WMAZ News.
Commissioners are set to take their final vote for the grant on Tuesday. It's part of the latest round of American Rescue Plan Act money, about $2.1 million. Other groups getting some of the money include Macon Mental Health Matters, Loaves and Fishes, and Middle Georgia Regional Food Bank.